Some of us will push into the 50s. The storm system continues to basically change its course, so who gets the mildest weather really will be along south of I-80, but something we continue to track. It's all about a warm front tomorrow and how far north it lifts. A live look outside right now, and what a gray, dreary start here to our Monday, but it is a new year. Our temps are above average. Right now we sit at 40 degrees. Notice those dew points in the 30s. The air mass is pretty saturated. We've been dealing with some dense fog out there today. A dense fog advisory remains in effect until 9 p.m. for Lake and Porter counties here, and really right along the immediate lakefront, I-80, I-94, down I-67 a bit, and then over towards southern Cook County there. Looking for some patchy dense fog as we go into the evening. You can see visibility right now right along the lakefront there. Gary reporting less than a quarter-mile visibility. That is a little bit dangerous in terms of travel conditions, so definitely some delays and dangerous travel can be expected with that reduced visibility because of the fog expected to linger into the evening. And the weather is going to get a little bit worse as well because we're going to introduce some very heavy, steady rain into our forecast. Satellite and radar tracking a strong storm system back to the south and west, the center of it anyway. You can see how much ground this is taking up right through the middle of the country. Out of the Four Corners region up to the north, we have snow, heavy snow to the south, a severe weather element, and we're going to see this warm front here off to the south continue to lift farther to the north. This is going to draw up that moisture as this area of low pressure continues to push up to the north and east, and we're going to see some very heavy rain and even potentially some rumbles of thunder here tonight. It's not until after 10 o'clock that this rain will be setting in, so midnight to 1 a.m. There you can see this rain shield here that's going to lift on through. You can see the bright colors as well, yellows and oranges, indicating periods of heavy rain expected tonight with embedded thunderstorms not out of the question. Mainly while we're sleeping, the heaviest rain will be falling. By about 6-7 a.m., a lot of that heavy rain pushes out and away from us. We'll be left with some scattered isolated showers into our Tuesday with a chance of an isolated storm threat not out of the question. Now notice these temperatures. Models earlier today were depicting some of this warmth. 50s, 60s, making it up into parts of northern Illinois. As of right now, backing off on that in terms of our temperatures, with areas off to the south of I-80, 50s and 60s expected. To the north, upper 30s and 40s. Regardless, we're still going to be above average, but if that warm front tracks a little bit faster and farther to the north, we'll get some 50s and 60s a little bit farther to the north as well. Something we'll monitor, but the latest models backing off on the timing of that warm front. And then we'll get into some cooler air as we go middle to the end of this week, where we could see some scattered snow showers. But it's all about this rain that's about to move in, and we're looking at decent amount of rainfall. Anywhere from a half an inch up to an inch of rainfall really is likely area wide across Illinois and northwest Indiana as we go into the overnight hours. Temperatures right now upper 30s and 40s, near 50 already to the south, and our temperatures not dropping as we head into the evening. And there you can see tomorrow morning 50s, near 60-degree weather expected. There's that mild air, there's that warm front up to the north of it. We'll still be in the upper 30s and 40s, but to the south, that's near record warmth for this time of the year. As we go into Wednesday, those temperatures get a little bit cooler, and we'll be left with some scattered light snow showers as we go into our Wednesday and Thursday here, with temperatures dropping back into the 30s, near average. So for tonight, rain, steady and heavy moving in after 10 o'clock. Areas off to the north, temps near 40. Tomorrow we'll look for those highs near 60 degrees. Well to the south of the city, so a high of about 51 because there will be a widespread in temperatures tomorrow. Rain early, scattered showers, some fog, some light rain and snow lingering Wednesday into Thursday. Some scattered snow, temperatures near average in the 30s as we head into our weekend. Limited sunshine expected, perhaps a few peaks there finding their way into our forecast on Saturday. Liz, Rob.